Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Okey Ufan bin Rizal under the supervision of Professor Muhammad Ramzi bin Muhammad Hussein and Associate Professor Khalila binti Zakaria. Today I will be presenting about my topic to integrated landscape design into neighborhood park in Nilai Negeri Sembilan. To start off my presentation, I will introduce my site. The site is located at Nilai Negeri Sembilan, near Musim. In the site, it has two main features, which is Nilai Indoor Stadium and Velodrome National Malaysia. Currently, the site has three main issues, which is social problem, lack of identity, and lack of specific user need. The aim of the design is to integrate sport and rational landscape design into neighborhood park that will offer visitors a complete sport and recreational experience. The objective is to provide rational environment with varieties of facilities and functions that are safe, enjoyable, and interesting place for surrounding community. To promote physical activities for all age and people with disabilities to enhance the surrounding landscape of Nilai Indoor Stadium and Velodrome National Malaysia. The design concept for this topic is the omnium. The omnium is a Latin word that means of all or belonging to all, and it also the name of the format that held in the velodrome. This concept will create a design that is suitable for all and has a variety of functions. This design strategy is a multifunctional space that I use underutilized space at the area and transform into park that are publicly accessible, incorporating the multi-use sport court and space to relax. Active Ring, a series of activities that are connected by multifunctional pathway. Active Spaces, a space that provides facilities and amenities for visitors. Universal Design features wide sidewalk and bicycle lane that provide amenities and facilities nearby. Critical design to minimize environmental issues. The design development of this topic is the space at the site are divided into three spaces. First, sport center, social yard, and active ring. We move into functional and conceptual diagram. As a result of layering the functional diagram, I come out with these conceptual diagrams. The red ring is the active ring that has multifunctional pathway. The blue spaces is social yard that has pop-up park, plaza, and multi-purpose parking. And lastly, the yellow spaces is a sports center that has a boot camp, outdoor park, and BMX tracks. We move to the schematic plan. First, spaces that will show you is the sports center. It consists of boot camp, BMX center or track, and multifunctional court. The second spaces is active ring, where it consists a multifunctional pathway and extreme trail. Lastly, the social yard, where it consists gathering area, the plaza, the leisure area, the tensile structure. Next, we move to planting concept. The planting concept for this design is sport garden, where it consists of planting design that can bring relaxation and the sense of welcoming to invite the visitors. The planting strategies consist of aesthetic planting, welcoming planting, buffer planting, and planting alongside the sidewalk. Next is the preliminary master plan. First of all, I will bring you to the main entrance of the site. The site is decorated with welcoming planting and welcoming signage. After that, at the both sides of the main road, we have multifunctional parking, where it has a perimeter paver to minimize the heat in the area. Then at the parking, we have a plaza where it is a gathering area for visitors. Move forward, we will have a roundabout that actually a planter for activities and sculpture. At the left side of the Nilai Indoor Stadium, we have a multifunctional court where it can become futsal, badminton, basketball, and volley courts. Next, to the right side of Nilai Indoor Stadium, we have a Velodrome National Malaysia, where at the front of the at the front of it, it has a sand roundabout where he has a different sculpture. The sculpture will represent the Velodrome National Measure. To the left side, we have a tensile structure where it has a leisure area for visitors. There also a boot camp at the area where it will have equipment for the visitors. Next, the last area is a BMX center. It has a track, grandstand, medical room, waiting area, and etc. Lastly, the pathway that connected all the spaces, the active ring. The active ring is surrounding the site, and it can be used as jogging and bicycle path. It connected with multiple checkpoints where user can rest. Some of the checkpoints have warm-up equipment. Lastly, we will go to the final board. The third perspective shows a view toward the BMX track, where it can be used as training ground or open for public. It can even hold an competition there. Next, the last perspective, a view toward the leisure area. After visitors exhausted themselves, this area can be used as a resting and relaxing area. That's all for me. Thank you.